Hey guys, it's Julie.
And I'm Matt.
From Southern Pride Design. And today we wanted to do a follow-up video on our powder coating. This time we are going to mask off our item that we're going to paint with the powder coating, but then we're also going to show how we laser and then paint with the spray paint. So we're going to show you both methods.
Sounds good to me.
That's it.
That's it.
Nothing?
All right. I'm gonna tape it off.
Okay.
All right. Where the hell's the tape?
So we're using.
Trying to use it. We're trying to use it.
You talk.
Trying to use it. So we're gonna mask it off. We got a lot of comments from people that said, you know, we should do this method, and it's, you know, a lot easier. You avoid all the mess, and there'll be
A cleaner product?
Cleaner product. So let me find something to lock that down with.
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah, and we're using painter's tape because the adhesive is supposedly supposed to be better and not give you the where it bubbles up, or when you after you laser engrave it, a lot of times some of the tape will start to peel up on the corners, and then when you go to spray it, you've screwed up your whole product. So we're going to try the painter's tape method that we saw, and we're going to use just a squeegee. You could use a credit card or whatever, just to lock it down.
You want to take that one?
Yes. And make sure that you cover up all your edges, because when you're, not for the powder coating, but for the spray paint, you don't want to get any overspray on the edges.
Right.
And the painter's tape is actually like perfect size for these rulers. And quit slamming.
You ever have one of those wives where you can't do nothing right? I got one.
We purchased these. What do we do then? We purchased these rulers from JDS Industries, and we'll put a link below for them if you're interested. They make awesome back to school or teacher appreciation gifts, or you know, just gifts for a student or somebody going into college. Just kind of a cute, personalized item. So that's what we're going to do. We're making them for our kids' teachers, if they come out well.
If not, the kids made them.
Okay, so we got them ready. I'm gonna go put the first one in the laser. And so we are going to do 2 of each design, just so we can have a comparison, one with the paint and one with the powder coating. So we'll get started. So on the one for the powder coating, when we laser engraved it, we did it slightly higher power so that it would be a little bit deeper with the engraving, so that the powder could sit in it. And so it was 80% speed and 75% power for the powder coating one. And that's on our Epilogue Mini 60 watt.
And because it's masked off, I wanted to try multiple colors. So I'm going to put multiple colors on this one. So hopefully I won't screw it up.
And the powder coating powder that we're using today is from Eastwood, and we'll also put a link below.
That's a lot of powder. I wish I could.
Yeah, you did it last time too.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I want to do
shouldn't have done that.
Why?
Trying to do all. No, that's too much. That's too much. That's probably enough right there. And then you're going to have a big pile like that again. Depending on how this comes out, the multiple colors might be a nice option with the powder coating that you don't have with spray paint.
Perfect.
Alrighty. So it looks like with the powder on it, and we're gonna go put it back in the laser and see how it comes out.
So what I did is I just made this little cardboard thing real quick, and I taped it up a little bit higher so it's not laying flat. I think it's a little bit easier to spray paint stuff that way. First coat, always do a light coat. Positive. And that's the second coat, and I'm probably just going to do 3 coats. So on this one, we're going to do 2 layers of powder coating to see how that turns out. Still shots of.
So these are our finished products. These are the 2 that we powder coated, and these are the 2 that we sprayed with the spray paint. Obviously my ruler was upside down, but neither here nor there. This one, we just did 1 layer of the powder coating, and we only did 1 pass to engrave it.
Which, if you look at the powder coating, it doesn't look too bad. I know some spots might be missing, but what we did to fix that is we upped the power by 5% on the laser. So we did 100% speed and 25% powder. Yellow obviously sucks, so avoid yellow powder coating.
I think it might just be because it's on this yellow wood, it kind of blends in. But the black looks really good. There's a few spots that we missed, but that's because we didn't get it deep enough. And then the paint, just as a comparison, still very clean. I am a huge fan of the painter's tape to tape it off, so I will be using that in the future for a lot of my projects, and I think that's a huge upgrade on the taping. And then
as you can see, this one was 2 passes, and I think it stands out just a little bit more, and I really like the gloss on it. And if you go down here and you look at the colors, even the black to me, because I know like with spray paint, the black just pops. It looks awesome, but even the powder coating black on this one looks amazing to me. And I really like the blue. We did our son's name in blue, and I really think it just stands out. So you really can't go wrong with spray painting. You know, if we would have had the acrylic paint, we probably would have did the same colors to do a comparison, but unfortunately we didn't have the acrylic paint here. So I'm really happy with the powder coating this time. I think all the tips that we received on YouTube about taping it off and settings and stuff like that really helped out. Cleanup was a lot easier this time. We didn't have to wash the wood or anything like that. I think masking it off was a big success, and it seemed as though the powder coating went a little bit faster than spray painting.
yes, because we had to wait for the spray paint to dry and all that. So
thumbs up for powder coating. I'm starting to become a fan.
So I think overall this project was a success, either doing either process. Here.
All right, so these rulers, I think they look very good. I think spray painting, you can't go wrong. Powder coating, I'm starting to become a fan. I think it's the more you do it, the faster you get at it. So you didn't even have to wait for the paint to dry with powder coating. You put it in the laser, it engraves it, you put the powder coating on it, you shove it right back in the laser. It was quick, it was fast. All the tips that we got on YouTube, big success. We appreciate it. Is that your stomach?
That's my stomach.
Oh my God.
Told you I was hungry.
So big fan, or I wouldn't say big fan, starting to become a big fan. Very happy with it. Tell us in the comments which ones you like, because that's important to us. Our opinion, you know, our opinion, we like the powder coating on this one. So
Yes. And I would highly recommend, I like the painter's tape. It did hold. Are you laughing at me again?
no, I'm listening.
I did like the painter's tape as a tip that we got because it seemed to hold up the best, better than some of our other taping methods. I know when we've lasered before with tape, the tape comes up, so this is definitely a bonus. So, and I think that helped make this project come out very well.
Yeah, I think the rulers are a good idea. We saw it on Pinterest and we decided to try it. So I think it'd be a great gift for your kids' teachers or whatnot. And there'll be a link in the description on where you can get these blank rulers from. We got them from JDS Industries. So put the link.
Got the link.
Okay, I'm out.
Nope.
No, I'm not out.
No. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see when we post new videos, and be sure to hit the little notification bell so that it alerts you, and we will see you on the next one.
Now I'm out. Okay, good.